welcome back to my channel, Jamhuria's Homemade Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make very delicious crispy steak fries. This recipe has only two simple ingredients, potatoes and frying oil. I use these baked potatoes, it's easier to clean and cut. In a deep bowl, pour water with a few ice cubes. Make sure it's nice and cold. First, I'm gonna clean the potatoes. Then I'm gonna show you how to cut it. When you start cutting the potatoes, cut a thin slice on the side and then turn the potato. Now the potato is not sliding and it's easier to cut. Make sure you cut the potatoes in thick pieces and they should be the same size so they cook evenly. This steak fries recipe is very easy. It has two simple steps to follow. If you follow it perfectly, you will have a very delicious and crispy steak fries at the end. Now I'm gonna put these sliced potatoes into the ice cold water in this bowl and let this sit for about 4 to 5 minutes for all the starch that potato has to come out. After 5 minutes, I'm going to take all the potatoes out of the ice cold water, put it in a drainer and let it sit there for a minute. Lay paper towel on an oven tray and then pour all that potato on top of it. Also, I'm going to take a piece of paper towel and start tapping the potatoes to get rid of all the extra water. In a medium pot, pour oil and heat it up. Make sure it's nice and hot. The way you check it, you put one fry first and then you know that the oil is ready. Then pour the rest of the fries, just enough. Make sure you don't overload the pot so they get crunchy and they don't stick together. Fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the potatoes are halfway done, halfway cooked. Then you take them out and put them on a cooling rack so the oil drains and then the potato cools down. These steak fries are halfway done. They are not fully cooked. We just let it cool down. These steak fries are cooled down completely. I'm gonna take a Ziploc bag and put it in a Ziploc bag, freeze it for 4 hours or overnight. After 4 hours, put a medium pot on the stove, add frying oil to it. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Then take out your frozen French fries, the bag of frozen French fries, and pour it on top of the oil. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it's nice and golden, and make sure you don't mix it or stir the pot. Just let the potatoes fry. This steak fries recipe is perfect for people who have small kids at home because this is their favorite thing to eat. Or you're like me, you love French fries. I don't know if you noticed, I made a whole bunch of it. I'm putting it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. It stays in my freezer for weeks. Whenever I want to make French fries, I just take a bag out and then fry it. These steak fries looks like they are ready. They looks perfectly golden. I'm gonna take them out and then put it on a cooling rack for the oil to drain. I'm gonna plate the steak fries, so I took a big plate and I'm gonna serve this with ketchup and pour a little bit salt on top of it. Look at these fries, they're not oily or mushy, they're just perfect. Thank you for watching my recipes, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you.